Good day everyone, it's Michael from BroJMR and I've got a new unboxing here. I got the Nintendo World Championships NES edition for the Switch. This is the Deluxe set. I'm excited about playing this game tonight. All the different challenges. I'm excited just to see what all is in there. But what I'm even more excited for is what this Deluxe set encompasses. So we're going to take here, we're going to cut the tape on the top, which one's been open. I just got this, filming this on the 19th. I bought it on the 18th, so hopefully it's up on YouTube by the 20th. So let's open it up and see what's going on. And it doesn't want to open. There we go. It was wanting to stay in its little cage. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff in here. Let's start with the game itself. This is the Switch game itself. In case you're wondering why I'm pausing, this cat's about to jump through. You may have just seen that. See if there's anything special inside the game itself. Okay. There is not. It's just the cartridge and looks like different just pictures of different games. So next we have a Nintendo cartridge, a gold Nintendo cartridge, the NES edition. It's of course an empty shell, but on the back it's got, I don't know if you can see that with the reflection, it's got a bunch of different symbols for the different games that are included, and it goes into an official Nintendo game cartridge, just like any other game cartridge. So that's cool. Maybe I'll put this in my NES collection so I can say I have Nintendo World Championships. Just kidding. Let's see what else we got in here. We got a Nintendo World Championships NES edition. I don't know what this is. Let's see. We got looks like cards. So we got Super Mario Brothers. There's the back. Legend of Zelda. There's the back. There's a bunch of these cards. Metroid. And of course there's the back. You've got what is that? Donkey Kong. And Donkey Kong. These are cool. I kind of want to frame these up and put them in my game room. Kirby's Adventure. I'm assuming that these are all the games that are included with challenges from the game. We have Super Mario Brothers: The Lost Levels. That's awesome because unless you've got an emulator or you have the cartridge, which I don't think I have, the Super Mario All-Stars cartridge, which I don't think I have. We got Zelda 2, The Adventures of Link. We have Super Mario Brothers 3. We got Balloon Fight. We got Ice Climber. Excite Bike, classic black box. That's this little Katniss. She is a crazy train. We got Super Mario Brothers 2. There. And we got, what else we got? Kid Icarus. With all the original artwork from the game box. And then pictures of main character sprites. What do we got in here? Another cool thing. This is very cool the way they did this. Alright, it's a box. So when you open the box, there's some foam protection. You can kind of see that there's something behind there. Pins. Really cool NES Championship pins with Mario, with Link, the Nintendo World Championships badge. We got Samus and we got Donkey Kong. So that's really cool. Let's see what else we got in here. There's one more thing in here, I believe. Crazy Train. There's something down in here. It's some kind of stand. Kind of stand that says Nintendo on it. Oh, it's, yep. Okay, so if you notice in there, it's empty. And that is why it's empty. That's really cool. That's going to make a cool display case piece for my Nintendo game collection over here. So that's really cool. I'm excited about playing this. We're about to hook it up and play it tonight. So thanks everybody for watching. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. And see you next time. Blessed be. Be sure to like, subscribe, and all that crap. And see you next time. Have a good night.